What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be a parody, but we're gonna get to the fucking point. Hey, Edwin, damn, bro. What you use, Manscaped? Hey, guys, make sure this video is not sponsored because, you know, nobody likes my fucking videos, but do Manscaped. All right, here. Now to the point of the fucking video. None of these cocksuckers that have the Subaru video. Look. This is the fucking way you do it, all right? I'm gonna hold it right here so you can screenshot it. I'll hold it here so you can screenshot it, all right? You see the black fucking cable? You put it with the... Oh, $100 Mac. I'll just edit that out. I have a $1,500... Hey, guess what? I have a $1,500 Mac. I'll just edit that out the video. So you put the black cable with the black cable. You put the red cable with the brown cable. You put the white cable with the fucking black and white stripe, you cocksucker, all right? Now subscribe to the fucking channel because we do shit the right way around here. And I'm not going to say their names because I don't remember their names, but if I did, I might put it in the comment. I'll pin it at the top of the comments. You're a what?
You're a cocksucker. Oh, now we have a problem.
Oh, what's the problem? It works. My job here is done, Papa. What's the problem?
We need the...